You go to 0%. All right, so if you're ready, then we'll start now. We'll make a left turn out of here. And they just sit here quietly. They'll give you directions well in advance as well. We're going to go out to the traffic lights here. Then a left turn at the lights. We'll make the first right turn here coming up. And we're going to go straight at the stop sign. And you just choose a spot here somewhere to pull over, and we'll do a 3-point turn.
All right.
And they'll say proceed with, once you pull over, they'll say proceed with a 3-point turn using the roadway only. And all they mean by that is if there's a driveway, you just don't use it.
Okay. He's waiting for me.
Okay, left turn at the stop sign. They don't discuss anything about your road test with you until you get back too, so people could be sitting there wondering, oh no.
Did I do it right?
Yeah, exactly. Left turn here.
Oh, left.
Yeah. Turn left at the intersection here. Then a left turn at the stop sign. We're going to park it on this hill here. They'll say, please park it on the hill, assuming you're leaving it here for a long period of time without shutting the engine off.
Oh man. Okay. Yeah.
Nothing but the best new country on Pure Country. Hey y'all, this is Luke Bryan, and here's my new song. Country song game on Pure Country.
Right on. We'll take off. So far, 0 mistakes. Left turn at the stop sign. Keeping it under par like golf.
Yeah.
I'm going to go all the way down to the traffic lights.
All right.
Right turn at the traffic lights. On LaSalle, your speed limit's going to be 50, but here it's 60. And they will sometimes they'll remind people what the speed limit is. Sometimes they don't, but you're to assume it's 50 if it's not posted. We'll make a left lane change here. And at the traffic lights, we'll turn left. We'll turn left here in this driveway right here. And then we'll follow it back out, right turn to the exit to get back to the roadway and then back to the traffic lights. At the traffic lights, we're going to turn right. Right turn at the traffic lights. back to the road test center here. So since there were no cars to parallel park with on the route, I'm going to get you to do the reverse parking first. After that, we'll do forward parking. So whichever space you want here.
In between?
Yeah, well, sure. Yeah, you can do that. You got the reflection in the window here.
Yeah, I know.
Awesome. We'll make a right turn here. We'll go do the forward parking.
I'll just go where that guy went.
Sure.
Nothing but the best new country on pure country. Silly Burrows. Rally around.
Well, you got, if this was the way the examiners score, starting at 0, you got a 0%.